In a dish, add shrimp, vegetable oil, garlic, cilantro salt, black pepper, and toss. Set aside to marinate. In a wide pan on medium heat, add vegetable oil, white onion, red bell pepper, and toss for 3 minutes. Add diced tomatoes, basil, cilantro, and cook for an additional 2 minutes. Transfer the tomato mix to the blender, but do not blend yet. In the same pan on medium heat, add vegetable oil and the marinated shrimp. Flatten the shrimp and cook for about 2 minutes. Flip the shrimp and cook for an additional 1 minute. Now that the shrimp is done, place it to the side, not in the fridge. To the blender, add coconut milk, chicken broth, lime juice, grated ginger, paprika, and blend. Pour the sauce into the pan. When coconut sauce reaches the boil, reduce to low heat. Simmer for 5 minutes. Add cream cheese and stir until blended. Then add the shrimp. Place the rice on the bottom, followed by the shrimp and coconut sauce. Garnish with cilantro and jalapeno. And enjoy your Brazilian shrimp and coconut sauce.